I just wanted to talk a little bit about technology, IT, work, life in general with AI at a very high level. I'm not gonna be doing any configurations or anything like too complex at this moment, but I just wanted to talk a little bit about like the outlook on the future. I went ahead and kind of structured some ideas on here as simple as possible. With the advancements of AI, there's been a lot of questions. Is it going to take our jobs? Is it going to destroy the market? Is it going to ruin everyone's lives? Is it going to promote, enrich, or cultivate everyone's daily life? AI is not going anywhere. Whether you're in IT, whether you're in business, whether you're in finances, whether you're a plumber or a business owner or just a normal person, I guess, that does, web browsing and whatnot, AI is not going anywhere. As you can see, I'm like using Google right now. You're already using Gemini anytime you push a search, whether it be things to buy, things to study, or whatever you search up on Google. Gemini is already integrated on there. There's arguments that, with AI, can you localize all your softwares? Can you localize, your drives? Of course, you don't have to participate in an environment where AI is heavily utilized. There's systems that completely don't use AI, but it's, even if you decide to lead a life without technology, that system will still live. Staying inside the house doesn't mean the world outside doesn't exist. Moving on to number 2. I know I used the word accept throughout the entirety of this section regarding the risks and rewards of AI. However, I wanted to make a slight change, and instead of using the word accept, let's just use consider. So consider the risks and rewards as opposed to accept, because I feel like there's a wide range of implementations and ways you can use AI as opposed to like fully embodying that mechanic. So consideration is far more effective in this area. So anyways, let's get back to it. You're gonna have to accept the risks and rewards of AI. Okay, like for example, if you don't use your phone, what is the risk and reward? The risks, probably you're not able to like call emergency services if you use your phone to like doom scroll all day. That's a risk. However, if you use your phone to study, if you use your phone for your business, if you use your phone for your projects, your creatives, yeah, that in and of itself is a reward. You're creating things. You're not just consuming. With AI specifically, there's certainly risks. Are there going to be not so great of people that uses AI as a weapon, as a way to scam people? Of course, 100%. There's always going to be not so good people. Rewards of using AI. You can pretty much just skyrocket your ability to learn things. Like right now, this is why I decided to talk about this. You can just search up things that are like completely new to you and just immediately learn it and have a structured, organized way of reading through articles and information. Anyways, accept the risks and rewards of AI. Bottom line, it's critical to remember that it's how you use AI that's going to dictate if it's going to be a good thing or a bad thing for you as an individual or a business or organization. 3, the last thing. There's a quote by a famous guy. You can search him up. The ability to survive is not measured by strength, but by adaptability. If you're in IT and tech, of course, you're going to want to learn how to use AI, how it talks, how it receives and pulls information. The one thing about AI is that, I guess, is lack of consistency in terms of like what responses or returns you get. But you got to be able to learn how it pulls information, how it stores information, how it provides information.